Shut up! You three are the lousiest, most pathetic criminals ever to walk the street. You stink! We don't ever want to see you again. Get out of town. Don't ever come back. Get out! Get out! Get out! Buttercup! Well, they made me mad. And they got me sick, too. Yeah, I think I caught it, too. Me, too. We better go see the professor.
Hurry, girls, hurry!